Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make ice cream home. First, ensure you have heavy cream, whole milk, granulated sugar, and your preferred flavorings, such as vanilla extract. This easy technique doesn't require an ice cream maker, making it accessible for everyone. We'll combine these basic ingredients to create a delightful, creamy treat that's perfect for any occasion. Get ready to enjoy a simple path to homemade dessert. Now let's prepare our ice cream base. In a large bowl, combine 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 cup of whole milk, and half a cup of granulated sugar. Whisk these ingredients together vigorously for about 2 to 3 minutes, ensuring all the sugar completely dissolves. Once smooth, stir in your desired flavoring, perhaps 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for a classic taste, or 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder for chocolate.
Hey everyone, quick break. If you're enjoying learning how to make ice cream, please subscribe and hit that like button. Speaking of simple paths, if you're looking for a simple path to financial freedom, I highly recommend *The Simple Path to Wealth*. It's a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money. You can find the link to the book and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Next, pour your perfectly mixed ice cream base into a shallow, freezer-safe container. Make sure to cover it tightly with plastic wrap or an airtight lid. This prevents the formation of unwanted ice crystals. Place the container in your freezer for about 4 to 6 hours. For the creamiest texture, remember to stir the mixture every 30 to 60 minutes during the freezing process. This helps break up ice and keeps it smooth. Once your ice cream is perfectly frozen, let it sit at room temperature for 5 to 10 minutes to soften slightly before serving. This makes scooping much easier. Dish out generous portions into bowls or cones and feel free to add your favorite toppings, like sprinkles or chocolate sauce. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the freezer, where they will stay fresh for up to 1 week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.